up, True Family Gang? We're back with another, well, I'm back with another video. I'm doing, let me see. Hold on a minute, guys. Let me pull it up. I'm doing a 40 question tag, 40 random questions tag. I was tagged by Kaya at Just Kaya TV. So yeah, I'm gonna do these questions with you guys, and while I answer these questions, I am going to eat my blue crabs. So they're warm and hot, well, hot and spicy. The first question is, do you like blue cheese? No, I do not. I do not eat blue cheese. No, ma'am. Do not like blue cheese. The second question is Coke or Pepsi? And I would have to say neither. I don't drink sodas, and when I did, it wasn't oh, excuse me, it wasn't those. It wasn't those type of sodas. So neither. The third question, in a relationship, married. Fourth question, whiskey, tequila, or vodka? Neither. I don't drink. Number 5, hot dog or cheeseburgers. Ooh. Hot dog or cheeseburger? I would have to say a hot dog, but from the grill. And make sure it's burned a little bit. Yeah, hot dog from the grill. The best hot dogs to have. It's spicy, y'all. I like my seafood spicy. And it is that. Favorite food? Collard greens. Yep, collard greens is my favorite food. I will eat them every day of the week. What do I drink in the AM? I drink water. Water, water, water. Y'all, these crabs are spicy. And that's what makes them taste so good. And y'all, excuse my nails. As y'all can see, I'm taking them off. That's why this hand is almost empty. Because I'm removing them. Instead of getting a filling, I want to get them removed and get some fresh ones put on. Number 8. Can you do 100 push-ups? Can I do 100 push-ups? Yeah, not at one time. Maybe 5 here, 5 in the next hour, and another 5 in the next hour. But altogether, no. Altogether, no. Put me some lemon on here. Favorite hobby. Favorite hobby is being outdoors with my kids, playing the games around the house, and being on YouTube, watching videos and all of that good stuff when I have time to. Number 10, tattoos. I have 2 tattoos. One on my hand and one on my foot. And that is it. Number 11, favorite season. It's the season after summer, it's before the winter, it's the fall, it's the fall, it's the fall. The fall is my favorite season. I love the fall. The weather is just right. You can wear pants, or you can switch it up and wear a skirt. Love fall. Beautiful time of the year. Do you wear glasses? Do I have to answer that? I think I do. I think I wear them. Phobias. I don't like to look at like possums and stuff like that. I've seen a possum before, or like a raccoon. Well, it like creeps me out. Give me the shakes. Yeah, I don't even want to look at those things. I can't even look at them on TV. Nickname. Well, none. Well, for different people. Some people, like my family, my great granny, my aunt, they call me something different. But other than that, no. Favorite candy? Turtles. I don't eat them all the time. But that is my favorite candy. I put them in the freezer so they can get cold. Not the freezer, the refrigerator, so they can get cold. Yeah, that's my favorite. Do you believe in ghosts? No, I don't believe in ghosts, but I believe in spirits, if you know what I mean. Biggest downfall. I would say biggest downfall is trying to help everyone. That's what I would say. Biggest downfall. Rain or snow? Rain. I love when it rains. Lounge around and relax when it rains. Piercings. For 2 in this ear, 2 in that ear. That's it. That's all the piercings I have. Number 20, age. I am 36. 36. Ooh. French fries. That's number 21. French fries or onion rings. French fries. French fries. French fries for sure. Kids. 7. Favorite color? Lavender. Favorite song? Oh. I don't have a favorite song. I have a few favorite songs between gospel and R&B. So I can't really name one. Can you whistle? No, I cannot. Where were you born? Jacksonville. Florida. Siblings. Yes. Yes, I have children. And I'm the youngest. Question number 28. Can you cook? Yes, I can. Can you swim? Barely. Barely. Are you religious? Yes. Shower or bath? For number 31. Shower or bath? Shower. A long, hot shower. I gotta take a water break, you guys. Big city or out in nature? I mean, I wouldn't necessarily want to say that's in the big city, but I won't live in the wild, so in the nature. So I have to say big city. Are you a good friend? That's number 33. Yes, I am. Broken bones. Do I have any broken bones? No, I do not. I haven't had any broken bones. How many TVs do we own? Oh God. Eight TVs. I had to count the TVs in the house. Worst pain ever. Giving natural birth. I thought I was dying. I mean, toothache pain. That is the awful pain. Toothache and giving like birth is running neck to neck, but birth would be the one because birth is like the closest thing to death. So I'm gonna have to throw it bird. It's no joke. Do you like to dance? Yes, that's why we have a dance team. Do you like camping? Yes, but not too much. Every once in a while, yes. Are you weird? I guess so. Well, it was really 39 questions. Because number 40 says, tag 6 friends. That's not a question. So there it is. Hope you guys enjoyed learning a little bit about me. A little more about me. Besides, you know, watching our video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Give this video a big thumbs up. It's okay. Just smash the like button. And give us a big thumbs up. We appreciate it so much. I'm gonna sit here and eat the rest of this crowd. Because they're good.